police in Austria say the bodies of 71 people, thought to be migrants, were found in an abandoned lorry found on a motorway on Thursday. The bodies of 59 men, 8 women and 4 children are thought to have been dead for 1.5 to 2 days. Police said the victims appeared to be migrants from Syria and probably died after suffocating in the vehicle. 3 people, thought to be Bulgarian, have been detained in Hungary. They are believed to have driven the lorry. Police sent to investigate the dumped lorry on the A4 motorway towards Vienna discovered the decomposing bodies on Thursday morning. The vehicle was towed to a customs building with refrigeration facilities where forensic teams worked through the night to examine the bodies. The victims are thought to have been dead when the vehicle crossed into Austria from Hungary. The local police chief said a travel document found on the vehicle suggested that the group were Syrian migrants.